Our top news this week. Atomos has some great news for Sony FX6 users. The company recently released firmware update 10.43 for the Atomos Shogun 7, which now supports ProRes RAW recording from the Sony FX6 in 4K up to 60 frames per second. All you need to do to get this recording functionality is to connect the FX6 to the Atomos Shogun 7 via an SDI cable, which allows the Atomos recorder to transform the 16-bit linear RAW output from the camera and record it as a 12-bit log ProRes RAW. There is no need for FX6 users to perform an upgrade to their camera, as it already has the RAW output enabled. Sony has released a handy remote operation guide for their top-tier Venice camera. The compact PDF serves as a useful explainer on the robust remote operation functions for those looking to buy or hire the Venice for the first time. Sony has made available a wireless LAN adapter which enables operators to control the Venice remotely from a tablet via Wi-Fi at up to 10 meters away, thus making it easier for productions to comply with on-set COVID-19 safety protocols. In addition, the Venice extension system gives cinematographers even more options for super compact and nimble setups with smaller crews. Adobe has released beta versions of Premiere Pro and Audition, optimized for the latest Apple Silicon Macs. The company also announced a step-by-step rollout of M1 optimized Creative Cloud apps coming later in the year, including After Effects, which is quite popular among video creators. The latest beta version of Premiere Pro supports popular video codecs including H.265, H.264, Sony XAVC, and ProRes. It is worth noting that these beta versions have some missing features, most of which will be added in future updates. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.